I'm headed to a book signing pop-up situation. We're an early girly now. That's what we are. At least we're trying to be. Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening. I'm very excited. I know this looks like my normal routine, and this is where you normally see me. However, I'm in a different place. I'm literally leaving work, and I'm headed to a book signing pop-up situation. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for it. It is in DC. I live in Maryland, but I work in Baltimore. So I'm leaving from work because the place where I'm going for the signing is an hour away from my work as it is. So I am headed that way. I am just going to change my shirt really quickly, and then we'll be on the road. I'm so excited. So I literally have my bags Gaius, I guess that's how you say it. That's the closest I can get. Shirt on. But this is like my favorite book hoodie shirt sweater right now. And I got my books with me. So I bought 2 books because it doesn't say like 100% that she is signing books, but it says that she's gonna be there, so I assume she's gonna sign books. But I bought the new book, which is I got abducted by aliens and now I'm trapped in a rom-com. And I bought I think this is her first book. I don't know, but this is the first book I read for her. That Time I Got Drunk and Saved a Demon. I love that book. Love that whole series. Ate that series up. So good. I haven't read this alien book yet, but I think I'm going to love that one as well. I'm very prepared to love it. But yes, I'm so excited to go to this pop-up. So I have my bag ready. I was literally putting my wallet in my bag. I don't plan on buying anything at the pop-up because I already have the book. But I'm just going to probably go get something to eat afterward at one of my favorite bars. So yeah, I was just getting my stuff together. But I'm also excited because I kind of made it into like a whole like weekend experience for myself, because I'm going to this thing and then I'm literally driving back like towards my work, and I'm gonna like spend the night here at a hotel because of how far away I would have to drive. So I would have like an hour and a half to 2 hours to drive home from the event, and I still have to work tomorrow morning. So instead of doing all of that driving, I just instead of spending the money on gas, I'll spend the money on a hotel and have a good weekend experience. Because also tomorrow I'm going to a going away party after work. So I'm like, let's just make it a whole thing, make it a whole weekend. My daughter and my son are still with their dad, so I don't have mommy responsibilities right now. So we're gonna treat ourselves. So let's get on the road. Like I said, it's gonna take me an hour to get there, 57 minutes, and right there I'm gonna get there actually 30 minutes early because we're an early girly now. That's what we are. At least we're trying to be. Okay, we're on the road to be early. And I'm so excited! I'm so excited. I'm gonna take my camera with me. I'm gonna be a real vlog girly because guess what? Nobody in there knows me, and then they'll see me with my camera, and then they'll be like, oh, you have a YouTube channel? And I'll be like, I do. And I talk about productivity and books and lifestyle and vacationing. Very just very random indeed. But those are the things that I talk about on my channel. So come along for the ride, guys. Okay, I'll take a parking garage any day. So the only thing is I'm gonna have to figure out what this is as far as if I have to pay, because it says it's free, right, for Whole Foods, which sure, but I guess I have to get it validated somehow. Usually that's how it works. Like you have to get it validated somehow. It says I can park here. For parking, DC pop-up, we recommend you parking in the neighborhood underneath the Whole Foods parking lot or, great. I'm here. I'm good. I'm ready. I'm going to take my little jacket because, well, it's 50s, but I'm going to take my little jacket because I don't like being cold and I got to walk to my destination. And I just have this like sweater on, right? Get in my bag. It said 90 minutes free, so pretty much I can stay till 8. Let's do it. Do it. Go, Tiger. There's people over there. They're walking that way. I think they're going to the Whole Foods, or it's like a little like lobby place for the parking. So I'm going to walk that way and we'll see. We're going to make it there. We got 20 minutes to spare. Hopefully we're going to make it.
Woo! Yeah, please, let's give it up for Kimberly and Kimberly Lemming.
And I wasn't really sure if I wanted to work with them, so I decided, oh no, I'll just make them an offer somebody. I'll have to turn it down. And around the same time, some folks on Twitter were raising a stink about me putting heat in my book titles. Second book.
Hello. How are you?
Doing good, you?
I'm good. I'm very excited to have you sign my books.
Well, I'm happy to sign.
I read the Mead Mishap, but I haven't started this one yet. I just bought it yesterday.
Well, I hope you like it.
I hope I like it too. I think I will, because I like your book.
Good.
How are you feeling about the next book?
I'm actually really enjoying it. It's somehow more psychotic than this one.
Excellent.
So I guess we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Wonderful. I did it! I went to a book signing event thingy and it was fun. I mean, like, it was like super chill. First of all, it didn't cost any money, and this is why I love big book people, because it's just like, dang, like if you're gonna buy the book, you're gonna come to get the book signed, or you're gonna come to talk to the author, you're already paying for the book, so we don't need to charge anything. And I appreciate that. I appreciate that. DC Loyalty bookstore. Yeah, I was gonna say book club. That's not correct. Bookstore. And they even had free wine. Just saying. But anyway, it was good. It was really good. It was like, it was simple and sweet. It's currently 8, the event 8:13. It started at 7. So I was only in there an hour and 15 minutes. Well, I was in there maybe an hour and 30 minutes because I was there like 15 minutes before, which I still got a decent seat, got to listen to the questions. I am a fan of Kimberly. Like, you know, sometimes you go to meet someone and you hype it up in your head, right? It's just like, dang, like this person is an author. This person is important. This person, you know what I mean? Like, but they're really just a person just like you. So like she was low-key really awkward, but also really fun. You know what I mean? Like she was giving like little tidbits about the books and like the things that she like was writing about in the books and the little parts of the book, and but like it was fun and it was real and it was like down to earth. Like it was good. It was so good. And then like she signed the book. I think I got it on video. Oh, I got it on video and I got a picture with her, which was cool. Really cool. I felt really bad because the person next to her, the author next to her, I had never heard of Homegirl nor her books, and I felt bad. Like I came out to see Kimberly Lemming, but like also the girl's book sounded really good, but also I don't like historical fiction. I'm not a historical girly. I'm really not. But she said romantasy, and I'm just like, ooh, romantasy sounds good, but this line is long, and I'm not trying to stand in this line and buy another book that I now need to read and I'm not sure. So I'm gonna put it on my list. Find the author. But first of all, she was beautiful. She was a beautiful Black queen, and she she did the question and answer part of the book signing or the book event. Basically, she asked Kimberly Lemming the questions. So I think that's really interesting, but also I don't know if I would do that. Like if I was running this event, like I don't know if I would take another author who is maybe not as popular and then put them as the person asking the questions. I don't know if I would do that, but yeah, because I also felt like homegirl she really wasn't trying, like she wasn't trying, but she was also shy herself. And so like for her to be like the key host of the question and answer portion, I felt like that was maybe not the best plan, but whatever, to each his own. So it's, like I said, it's 8:16. I'm about to leave. Oh, look at my picture with Kimberly Lemming. I love that for me. Oh, yay. I was very excited. Put my gums out. First of all, I'm excited when my gums are out, okay? And I'm smiling, cheesing, and all the gums are out. But I think I got the video. It's Friday? Isn't it Friday? Yes, it's Friday. I'm gonna go to get something to eat first and then go check into my room, my random room by myself. And it's gonna be great because it's also 7 minutes away from work in the morning. Yes, it is. First of all, you've hit real adulthood when you have to work at 8 o'clock and you're excited to sleep in. That's not really sleeping in, but it is. It also is because I'm not going to the gym tomorrow because it's Saturday. Tomorrow's a rest day. So that means I can wake up at a normal time. 7 a.m. What?